Hi guys, namaste, welcome to Nair Mentions. Today I have with me a rose water from the brand The Love Co. This is an organic luxury brand. This rose water has vitamin C and this will give you a radiant and even toned complexion. This is alcohol free, pH balanced and suitable for all skin types. Look at this packaging, this looks so beautiful. This rose water blended with vitamin C is a natural refreshing formulation that combines the benefits of nature and science. It has powerful antioxidants that helps to reduce hyperpigmentation, protects skin, hydrates and nourishes, leaving soft and glowing skin. This brand, The Love Co, is an Indian brand and they have a wide range of bath and body care products. I'll put the link in the description box of the website and also of this product. You can have a look. So this comes in the form of a spray bottle and this has a very light texture and this smells very good. This smells like organic roses. So let's just see a demo of this. This toner prevents and reduces the signs of aging such as fine lines and wrinkles. This reduces irritation and supports the skin's natural protective barrier. This also brightens and energizes the skin for increased radiance. This has the benefits of vitamin C, aloe vera, cucumber, hyaluronic acid and witch hazel. The second way to apply this toner is you can spray a little amount on a cotton pad and wipe your face with this. This is also another way to apply any toner. Yeah. And you can see after applying this toner, my skin feels so nice and fresh. And also this has an amazing fragrance as I already told you. I would definitely recommend you to try this for an even toned and glowing complexion. I'll put the link of this product in the description box. Do have a look. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care and I love you all.